Howdy guys, I am Dre, and in today's video I'm showing you the results of my overseed. Stick around. I reseeded the lot September 10th, 2022, and today is November 6th, 2022. I planted 5 different varieties and they're all Scots. Did perennial right, high traffic, seeds, dense shade, Pennsylvania state mix, and heat tolerant blue mix. I'm not affiliated with Scots, and I purchased the seeds myself at Lowe's and Home Depot. Around here, we did the perennial right. Looks awesome. It's pretty thick. Sorry about the leaves, but she's almost done there. Oh, it's so pretty, man. Look at that one right there. Anyway, over here still coming up. This is the last one. Still got some weeds there. Over here too. I am not doing anything anymore. You know, it's November. So it's pretty good here. This area here, for whoever's following, I mean, that was pretty bad. This is all bent grass here. So over here we got the high traffic mix and the perennial right around it. We did tenacity in the entire yard. But anyway, let's keep going. So think about here, we started the shade mix, and still fighting. Is very scattered. We've been avoiding stepping on the lawn. It took a while. This was the longest one, and it was pretty dense here on the bent grass. And we did this new little addition here, or little patio. So this is all dense over here. See it? It's cool. I like it. Not bad. It's still, you know, your first year, it's going to be a little scattered, but we'll reseed it again next fall. And we continue the shade mix here. We did here. We did the shade. And I chop the leaves, and I have a vacuum, and then I'll vacuum it out. The little chips of leaves don't bother me, but this is all shade mix, and we stopped the shade mix about here. Looks sharp. She's almost done. Look at the size of that monster. It's got to be over 60 feet tall. This is the Pennsylvania mix. I'm very happy with Scott's overall. Great performance. It's like a race car, fast. This is the patch that I did a video on it. So that's the patch right there. I'll put a link in the description. Yeah. Awesome. This is the shade. This is shade in the summer, so it gets maybe 5 hours of sun, and over here it gets spanked all day. We did the edges here. high heat. It's awesome, right? So many leaves. So it's Pennsylvania State mix, and on the edges I use the high heat tolerant high heat, the blue mix from Scott's. It is, you know, scattered, but I'm pretty sure this will come back. I had so much bent grass that the tenacity took longer to work, if that makes sense. And what I should have done is done more little patches, reseeded more, but I just ran late on it. But this is the area here. See, this is all bent grass. And when we reseeded, this was bare from the bent grass. So it's kind of like I want to say it took over a month for the tenacity to like fully engage. And about here down, excuse me, we did the heat tolerant blue mix. I want to say it's alright. I mean, we got some bare spots here. It's definitely still coming up. The temperatures just went down really fast. You can still see the Pennington, what do you call that? You know what I'm talking about. See here, very, very little. Tiny babies. So I am going to blow again today just to get this crap out of here. Here, we did the heat tolerant also, blue mix. You can see here, pretty good. Very happy with it. Nice and green there. There's some bent grass here too. It looks awesome. We're taking this baby down. Look at the size of the leaves this year. Crazy. Yeah. Maple, right? Pretty. But when we had the driveway done, they had to cut the roots here. So I just don't want them going under and popping the driveway up. It's unfortunate, but nice wood. I definitely recommend the Scott's. Great product, great performance, and it looks awesome. Even back here where I have the perennial on this side and the dense shade, as you walk by, you don't really see any difference. You know, they all pretty much look the same. If you guys want to know a little more about the reseeding the whole yard, I'll put a video up here. I hope you liked that video. If you did, please boop the like button. That'll help spread to more people. Yeah, as I said, boop. And I'll see you next time. Dre out.